Disneyland Paris right now. Oh look, they have a little Main Street car. First order of business is find Piglet. Here we are in front of the Disneyland Paris castle. So we already met Piglet. We've taken some pictures with the castle and around the park, and now we're headed to our first ride of the day, Autopia. We've never been before, so we'll let you know what we think. I hope I get the pink car. What car do you want, Dad?
The purple rain.
He wants the purple rain car. Ma, ¿tú qué carro quieres?
Pink with you.
Pink, okay. Dad got the purple rain car. And this is my car. Woohoo! Ahí va bien. Oh my gosh, ¿cómo sigo? Espera, frena.
Casi me choca esta niña. No es la mejor manejando. No se suban con ella.
What do you think about Autopia?
I thought it was pretty good. The cars went really fast.
They went fast.
When they're flat and then when they're going down the hill. They went very slow on the up the hill.
Yes, good
Also,
review.
I thought it was very similar to Disneyland California. A lot different than the Disney World one.
Yeah.
I think Disneyland California Autopia is still better. But
Okay.
I think it's very similar.
Okay. Kevin! We are right now in line for the Phantom Manor. We get a cool view of the Big Thunder Mountain, which unfortunately it's not the best view because it's under construction, and we get a little view of the castle.
Please fill in all the dead space. Please go to the dead center of the room. It's definitely different. It's
Yes.
different than the other two parks.
We saw a little girl crying, and I think that's the true testament that it is scarier than the Disneyland one.
You have to pull your own bar down.
Oh, that's
the
a good
ghost
comment.
will not pull it down for you.
Yeah.
And I didn't understand French, and the lady kind of got mad at me.
Next stop, Pirates. There's the Blue Bayou. What did we think about Pirates?
I thought it was really good.
The order's definitely different from the other Disney parks, but it's cool. So we're getting ready to go to the Alice in Wonderland Curious Labyrinth. It's not exactly an attraction, but it's a walkthrough experience, and they don't have it in the other Disney parks, so we are excited to go.
Quand je vais jouer au crotte.
Bruh. Bruh.
Sleeping Beauty's castle in Paris, France, and it's unbelievable. You can take a tour, be on the balcony here. A lot of stained glass, beautiful.
We're getting ready to go aboard the Disneyland Railroad, which I think has a trip to the Grand Canyon. Getting ready to board the Disneyland Railroad.
Oh my gosh, we've been waiting forever.
Yes.
Pendant le trajet, veuillez rester assis et garder
Two trains right now. We just came out of the Disneyland Paris Railroad. Dad, what did you think of it?
I thought it was pretty good. However, the Grand Canyon was extremely weak. They drive fast through it, and it's the exact same makeup as Disneyland California. The good news was there was only 2 stops altogether.
Also, we waited for a long time, so
Yeah, I never seen a train line that big.
Yes. Anyway, we're on our way for a cookie now. This is a snack I want, the Cookie Mickey. I'm super excited. We're going to go in.
Yes?
So we settled with the muffin instead because the cookie was very tiny and it did not look as sweet as advertised. But we're getting this muffin and I want to try a Mickey pizza, so hopefully we'll do that. So a bit of change in plans. We're actually waiting now in line for Hyperspace Mountain because it was a 25-minute wait time. Dad, do you think the line felt like 25 minutes?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either. I think so. We're almost to the front. How exciting. Wow, that roller coaster is very different from the Space Mountain we are used to. It has turns, drops, speed, everything. What do you think, Dad?
Amazing. That might be a younger man's roller coaster.
Yes.
I don't think I'm one and done, but I know how motivated I'm to do it again.
So right now I'm venturing off from my parents because we wanted to eat at different places. I want to get the Mickey Mouse pepperoni pizza, so I'm on my way to get it. Here I am with my Mickey pizza. I'm so excited. Also, I got a pretty good seat, so excited about that too. Here it is. It looks so good. And I got some garlic bread. And this is where I'm sitting. It's really cute, nice and decorated. My food review is I did like the pizza. It was good, but not the best pizza I've had by any means. It was okay. I think what you really pay for is for the Mickey shaped. I will say the garlic bread was delicious though. Would I have it again? Probably. Okay, Dad, what did you have and did you like it?
Yeah, I had a chicken sandwich. It was pretty big. It was 16 euros, which is approximately $18. Included French fries and a Coke. It was decent.
So right now we are walking over to Disney Studios to see our second park. Look how beautiful it is. So there's Disneyland Paris. And here's Disney Studios. Feels like Disneyland and DCA. Yay! We are in Walt Disney Studios. So I think we are headed to Avengers Campus. I think we're gonna do web slingers or flight force. Dad, show me how you're practicing for web slingers.
Le nouveau véhicule Slinger. Attention à la marche. Merci. Please remember to return your web vision glasses in fit. Thank you. Stay seated in your Slinger vehicle. Good evening.
So just came off of Adventures Flight Force. That ride is a lot of fun. I think maybe Space Mountain is more intense, but it reminds me a lot of Rock and Roller Coaster, and I think it's a lot of fun. Definitely do it. It was a 5-minute single rider wait. So here's Crush Coaster. As you can see, it's 65 minutes wait time. It is a fun ride, I will say. We did it last time, but 65 minutes is a lot. This is Disney Paris's version of Cars Land. Not as extravagant as the one in California, but it has its own charm. Tow Maters. Louise House of Tires. And this is the version of Toy Story Land.
If you take my picture, be sure to get my good side. Actually, they're all good sides.
This is Toy Story Playland. If you go to the right, you will see Ratatouille. Here is our little Ratatouille area of the park. Here's the Ratatouille Adventure Ride, and the fountain looks pretty similar to the one in Disney World. Although something really unique is the Bistro Chez Remy. So it's a 5-minute wait for single rider. Gusto's. Can't really see it too well because we are in the single rider line. Can't believe it, it's a walk-on.
That's it!
Hey, thanks for coming, everyone.
So here's the restaurant I was talking about. Look at the big plates. Super cool. Notable difference is no 3D glasses.
Yeah.
Now we're heading to Toy Story, and I will show you the Slinky Dog ride here in Disneyland Paris. It's quite different. There goes Dad. So Disney Studios is officially closed. We ended our day doing the Ratatouille ride one more time because it's one of my favorite movies and I love the ride. Any final remarks, Dad?
It's really nice. It's going to be much, much better one day when they get it all done.
There's definitely some walls, as you can see, but we still had a lot of fun. Great park. There's the tower. Heading over back to Disneyland Paris, the main park, to enjoy the drone show. It's one of my absolute favorite things. It's a must if you're here in Disneyland Paris. We are so excited! Yeah. Woo! Well, so right now we're heading to Phantom Manor for our last ride of the day before we wait for the fireworks and drone show. We decided on this to be our last ride because it's very different than any of the other Disney parks. We were between that or Pirates. So yeah, here we go. We are the first people getting ready. Last ride of the day. Wait. 7 minutes till the drone show starts. Ah.
A few minutes later.
sa recherche et répandez-la autour de vous.
Find your magic, embrace it, and pass it on.
Hi everyone, Jess in editing here. Unfortunately, we did not get to see the drone show due to bad weather, but let me know if you want a video about the drone show because I've recorded it from past times. Our least favorite part of the day, leaving! No! Very sad to be leaving. Hopefully we'll come back soon.
Yes.
Bye bye. We made it.